Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with another unboxing video. So a couple weeks ago, I did a video on Beads Inc. stretch bracelet kits, and they got more. They added, I think, 2 or 3 new ones to their site, and I wanted to show you some of them. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it below. But these kits are pretty awesome because I think you guys know I like bracelets at this point. And they take all the guesswork out of designing like color choosing for you. So each one comes in one of these organza bags. And I know a lot of people, one of the biggest questions is like, how do you choose your colors? How do you choose your beads? Well, these you can it's already done for you. It just comes to you and then you make. And the only thing you need is something to cut with. Now, the other thing is I did a Blitz video where I made 9 bracelets, a pair of earrings, and a necklace. And so you don't just have to make stretch bracelets. So this is the Tucson Kit, and each kit you get a sticker. It's super cute. And I think in this kit they actually sent like a little note. Oh yeah, in each one you're getting like cute little messages too. So this one says, "Make pretty things," with a little heart from Kathy. In each kit you get a roll of Stretch Magic, whether it's 1mm or 0.7mm. This one is 1mm. And you get a glue, and this one is super new glue. So this one is the Tucson Kit, which, hello, I had to get the Tucson Kit. I live in Arizona. And you get a strand of 8mm hematite beads. These are really like nice quality, heavy duty. So we've got a strand of those. These are resin, but they look like metal. And I think they're called like Navajo resin or something like that. They're really nice. That's the name that they have for them. And the cool thing is these are lighter weight. So if you can't wear a lot of weight, these are good. So those are some nice rondelles. We've got a strand of navy, I think these are 6mm Heishi beads, polymer clay. Lovely. Oh, I love gold and navy blue. I just love that. Such a good color combo. We've got a strand of gray Heishi beads. The name is Gray Sweatpants. That's what they called it. I love a sense of humor. I love that. Okay, so we have gray, navy, 6mm. We've got a strand of agate, so dyed agate. These are 6mm faceted. So cute. I love that. I love blue and orange together. We've got an 8mm strand of polymer clay beads, and it's a really cool color mix. So yes, you have everything you need here to make a strand. I think this one is like 12 plus bracelets, depending on length. But if you have any beads in these colors, you can always add those in. So you can add from your stash. And I think what I said in my last video is I love giving bracelet stacks as a gift. So I usually give like 2 or 3 as a gift. And if you're making 12 bracelets out of one kit, that's 4 gifts or 6 gifts or 12 if you want to give one bracelet. And then there's a pack of focals. So we have a large brass focal, African brass focal. This is gorgeous. I love this. This is also in the Lennox kit. And I use that in my bracelet blitz. So I'll be doing another one in about a week. So about today's Saturday. Maybe next Thursday or Friday, I'll be posting me making with some of the kits that I'm showing you today. We've got 4 bone beads. Love those. And then we've got some inlay beads. So these are bone with coral and turquoise inlay, and then some brass, I think, inlay in those. So that is the first kit, which is Tucson. And if you're part of my bead group, there's an exclusive coupon for their website in my bead group. But they're also having sales because we're leading up to the holidays. So I would check their website and get on their newsletter because they're having, wonderful promotions. So love this. I can't wait to make with this kit for sure. Okay, before I show you the next kit, I did say in my bracelet blitz that I was going to make some more stuff with the other kits that I had, and it would be exclusive content for my Facebook group. But I did want to show you one set that I made, and to show you that these aren't exclusively for stretchy bracelets. So I made 2 coordinating stretchy bracelets here with the Loosa Kit. and some of beads from my own stash, but I made a leather bracelet too, featuring the beads from this kit. So it's not just stretchy. If you're more into leather or stringing or bead weaving, these are still great kits. So just wanted to kind of show you that. The next kit I wanted to show you is Love Classic. So, oh, I forgot to tell you, they also put them in a pretty bow. I think that's cute. Like, little things matter to me. So they put a pretty bow when they're shipping you your items, and they have free shipping to the US on everything in their shop. So, which is amazing these days because the USPS has increased their shipping. So let me open this one up, and let's see what their little saying is in this one. That's kind of like a little fortune in your bead stringing cookie. All right, with gratitude, Christine and team. That's wonderful. Cute little note. So this one, our stretch magic is 0.7 millimeter because there's smaller beads probably in this one. You also get your sticker, and this one they say you can make up to 15 bracelets depending on, or more, depending on the length. So this bracelet, if you've watched any trend lately, has letter beads, and I love these like little gold and white letter beads instead of just the black and white ones. I like the black and white ones too, but I like that these have gold. So they say there's approximately 300 letter beads in here, so you're gonna be able to spell out whatever you want. Whether it's snarky, whether it's inspirational, whether it's cute or sweet. I think we'll be making some. Definitely need one with Goldie's name on it. We get a cute little evil eye charm. You go, no, I love those. Love those. We have 4 millimeter, like little colorful spacer rondelle beads. Just a few of them. Super cute. I love how colorful those are. And then we also have our glue. Oops, I missed one of those beads. We have our gray sweatpants Hishi beads. I love that name. It's definitely memorable. And then in here we have the hematite again, but they're 6 millimeter and I think 4 millimeter. Yes, so we actually have 2 strands of each in this this kit, and then we have an 8 millimeter white and translucent strand of Hishi beads. So this kit really is super like neutral and mostly white, but obviously you can add in any of your own beads. But I love that there's a lot of just gold in here, so you can spend a lot of time just making, you know, your alphabet bracelets. If you have like children, grandchildren, best friends, depending on who you're shopping for, you can use their names, make them their own pet bracelet, or it's just endless what you can do with these. And how fun is it to receive like a personalized gift, you know? I like getting personalized gifts, you know, instead of maybe just a gift card. But that's just me. So we'll move on to the next one. The next kit is the Marina, and here is our little fortune here. I don't know what else to call it. Our little sweet positive note of positivity. So XOXO Camille, and then we have 1 millimeter stretch magic in this one, our glue, and our sticker. And then we also have in this one the Navajo acrylic strand or resin strand. So that comes in a couple different kits. We have, these are some exotic wood beads. Love those. I love wood beads, but I love it when they've got a little bit of texture or pattern to them. We've got some wood rondelles and some 8 millimeter like pale aqua, one of my favorite colors, pale aqua Hishis. I'm loving how earthy this kit is. And then we have some matte spotted pine jade, which I've never heard of before, but it's so pretty. So pretty. This definitely reminds me of like a lake or a forest or something, a lake with in a forest. Over my vacation, I went to Saguaro Lake, and this kind of giving me that vibe. And then we have some crystals, so we can get some bling in our bracelet stack. And then last but not least, we have some faceted dyed jade. So these are gray. I'm really loving this kit. It's beautiful. All right, so, oh, and I forgot about this. I totally missed this. We have a focal set in this one too. And these are like African rondelles, and let's see what else is in here. So we have some, brushed gold little 5mm beads. Just a handful of those. And then we have some striped glass beads. These are African. They're so cool. Those actually almost kind of look like those candy canes. And then, but look how like old and rustic this one is. It's so much fun. My goodness, I love all of these. All right, so there's our little focal bead for the Marina kit. And then last but not least, we have the Gold Star kit. Now, I know this kit just woke you up because look at that hot pink. I love hot pink. It's my second favorite color. I love that. I love it, love it, love it. And when I saw the picture, I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. That with the dark blue in this kit is pretty awesome. So let's see what's in here. And they say depending on length, you can make 14 or more bracelets out of this kit. And we have 1mm stretch cord. And remember, you could just get it for the beads and you'd still be getting the deal because you can make memory wire bracelets out of this, earrings, all sorts of good stuff. So we have like a confetti looking strand. This is so much fun. Look how colorful that is. 8mm. I love how that they have polymer clay beads that I don't really see everywhere. And then that they have 8mm, because 6mm is great, but 8mm is better. Bigger is better. Look at this. It's like my screen is on fire. This is so bright pink. I love that. We've got some pale blue crystals. Love that. Oh, so cute. We've got some pale wood rounds, and I think these are 10mm. Oh, we've got our little positivity slip. You're a star. That's cute. And we've got some gold hematite. Look at the bright gold with the bright pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought I loved Tucson and Marina the most, but honestly, this one's my favorite out of these that we're seeing today because it's just so bright and fun, and I need that right now because the days are short. And then we have our super new glue. We have a very dark blue rondelle, crystal rondelle set. Look at these. Look at these four together. The light blue, dark blue, hot pink, and gold. Doesn't that just give you so many ideas? It's so pretty. It makes my eyes happy. And we have a focal kit too. And when I say focal kit, that just means you might not get the exact same beads that I'm showing you, but you'll get some very, very similar. And these do differ from the ones that I saw in the pictures on the website, but I'm loving, look at these different blues. Those are so fun. Like I also really like the rustic with the high shine, like cool juxtaposition there. We've got some rondelle. Well, these are more flats or heishis. Some orange and some reddish brown beads. I like these. Oh, look, they have flowers on them. Ugh, those are so cool. You know, I love African beads. These are all like Crobo beads, and they're gorgeous. And we have a sand cast bead, some brown and yellow. My goodness. And then some smaller ones. All right, so now I need you to tell me which kit was your favorite. And let me know if you've gotten any of these. I'm going to put all my links below for them. It's beadsinc.com, but I'm going to link you right to the kits. And check out my bead group because I have the exclusive coupon code there. However, I think their coupon code or their sale that they're having today at least is better than the coupon code that I have. So check them out. They're having some good sales for the holidays. And think about this. It's a great way to get a handmade gift without, you know, having to sit there and agonize over how to design or what colors and beads to use. And you get free shipping. So check them out. Let me know which kit that I showed you today was your favorite, or which kit they have on their site that's your favorite. And can't wait to show you what we're going to do with these later on in the week. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And I hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.